Hello everyone, welcome to NJP's online classes. Today we will begin with the fourth set of phonetic sounds. So let's have a very happy learning session. Children, today we will learn phonic sounds from letters P to T. So let's begin. What is the sound of the letter P? First, let us look into some examples. We say P for pot, pot. What sound do you hear of P? Yes, it's pot. P. P is the sound of P. Now let's look into the second example. We say P for parrot. Parrot. What sound do you hear of P? Yes, it's P. Parrot. Let's look into the last example. We say P for pen. Pen. What sound do you hear of P? P. Yes, this is the sound of P. So let us do a recall once again. P for pot. P, P, pot. P for parrot. P, P, parrot. P for pen. P, P, pen. Very good, children. Now let us move into the second letter. Now we will learn the phonic sound of Q. Children, listen very carefully. The sound of Q is qua, qua. Let us look into an example. We say Q for queen, qua, queen. Yes, qua is the sound of Q. Let us look into the second example. We say Q for quilt, quilt, qua, quilt. Yes, this is the sound of Q. What is the sound of Q? Qua. Now let us revise it once again. Qua for queen, qua qua queen, qua for quilt, qua qua quilt. Very good, children, very good. Next letter is R. What is the sound of R? First, let us look into an example. We say R for rat, rat. What sound do you hear of R? Yes, it's R, rat. R is the sound of R. Let us look into the second example. We say rabbit, rabbit. What sound do we hear of R? R. Yes, R is the sound of R. Last example, we say run, run. What sound do we hear of R? R. Very good, children. Now let's revise it once again. R for rat. R, R, rat. R for rabbit. R, R, rabbit. R for run. R, R, run. Very good. Now we will learn the sound of S. S. What is the sound of S? Sir. Sir is the sound of S. Let us look into some example. We say snake. S for snake. What sound do we hear of S? Snake. Sir. Yes, sir is the sound of S. Let us look into the second example. We say star. Star. What is the sound of S we hear? Stars. Yes. Sir is the sound of S. Now the last one. We say S for sun. Sun. What is the sound we hear of S? Sir. Very good, children. Now let's revise it once again. Sir, sir, snake. Snake. Sir, sir, star. Star. Sir, sir, sun. Sun. Very good, children. The last phonic sound which we are going to learn today is that of the letter T. T. What is the sound of T? T. T. Let us look into some examples. We say T for train. Train. What is the sound of T we hear? T, train. Second example, T for tree. Tree. What is the sound of T we hear? Tree. T. Very good, children. Last example, we say T for tiger. Tiger. What is the sound of T we hear? T. Very good, children. Now let us revise it once again. T for train. T, train. T for tree. T, tree. T for tiger. T, tiger. Now children, let us do a very quick revision of the sounds we learned today. P for P, Q for Q, R for R, S for S, T for T. Very good. Children, now let us look into some word formations with the sounds which we have learned till now. Before that, we will again, as usual, repeat the sounds from A to T. Let's begin. A for A, B for B, K for C, D for D, A for E, F for F, G for G, H for H, E for I, J for J, K for K, L for L, M for M, N for N, O for O, P for P, Q for Q, R for R, S for S, T for T. Very good, children. Now let's look into the first word formation. We say B, A, B, A, ba, T, B, A, T, bat. Yes, this is how you read the word bat. Now let us look into the second example. P, E, P, E, P, G, P, E, G, pig. Yes, that is the way you read the word pig. The last one, R, O, P, rope, R or rope, rope. Yes, this is how you read the word rope. Thank you, children. Hope you all enjoyed the session. And yes, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe.